Welcome. Today, we're reviewing the O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop in red. This mop has gained popularity for simplifying home cleaning tasks and saving time. Let's dive in and see how it can make cleaning easier and more effective. Product features and brand information. Brand. O-Cedar is a trusted brand known for producing high-quality, user-friendly cleaning products. Their products are reliable and designed for efficient home use. Product name. O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop, red. Key features. 1. Dual-sided microfiber pad. This mop includes a double-sided microfiber pad that can be flipped, allowing you to clean a larger area without frequent pad changes. 2. Built-in spray system. The mop has a convenient built-in spray feature that applies cleaning solution directly to the floor, making cleaning fast and efficient. 3. Reusable microfiber pad. The microfiber pad can eliminate up to 99% of bacteria and can be machine washed and reused, making it environmentally friendly and long-lasting. 4. Extended reach mop head. The wide mop head covers a larger area with each swipe, ideal for cleaning larger rooms and spaces. 5. Battery-free operation. The ProMist Max uses a manual spray system, meaning it doesn't require batteries or electricity, making it both cost-effective and eco-friendly. 6. Safe for multiple floor types. It's designed for various surfaces, including hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, ensuring they remain clean without getting too wet or slippery. 7. Effective on tough stains. The powerful microfiber pad can remove tough stains and dirt with ease, making it ideal for homes with pets or children. 8. Customizable cleaning solution. The mop's refillable reservoir allows you to use any preferred cleaning solution or simply water, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. 9. Non-scratching microfiber pad. The microfiber pad is designed to clean without scratching, making it safe for all floor types. User experience and feedback. Easy setup and lightweight. Many users appreciate the lightweight design, which makes it easy to use for people of all ages and physical abilities. Durability. O-Cedar's ProMist Max is built with quality materials, making it a long-lasting choice. Users have found it to be sturdy and reliable, providing excellent value over time. Dual-sided flip feature. The dual-sided pad feature has been praised for enabling quick, efficient cleaning without needing to change pads frequently, enhancing the cleaning experience. Customer reviews from Amazon. 1. Convenience. Many users noted that the ProMist Max Mop simplifies their daily cleaning routine and saves time. The microfiber pad's bacteria-eliminating capability is particularly appreciated, along with the ease of machine washing. 2. Great for tough stains. Some users highlighted that the mop works well on stubborn stains, with the microfiber pad effectively cleaning even hard-to-remove marks. 3. Reduces oil and grime buildup. Users found it effective in cleaning areas prone to oil or grime, like kitchens and bathrooms. How to use the O-Cedar ProMist Max Spray Mop. 1. Assemble the mop. Assemble the mop handle and attach the microfiber pad. Make sure it is securely attached. 2. Fill the reservoir. Open the refillable reservoir and add water or your preferred cleaning solution. Close it tightly after filling. 3. Start cleaning. Place the mop on the floor and press the spray trigger to release a mist of cleaning solution. This mist covers the floor lightly, ensuring it dries quickly and doesn't become slippery. 4. Flip and continue cleaning. Use the double-sided microfiber pad to clean larger areas without stopping. If one side gets dirty, simply flip to the other side. 5. Wash the pad when done. After cleaning, remove the microfiber pad and wash it. The pad is machine washable, so it can be reused multiple times. 6. Store the mop. Store the mop in a dry place to ensure it's ready for the next use. Pros and cons. Pros. Easy to maintain. Eco-friendly microfiber pad. Uses minimal water and cleaning solution. Covers large areas quickly. Cons. Reservoir can sometimes be tight. Manual spray function may be less convenient for some. This was a comprehensive review of the O-Cedar ProMist Max Microfiber Spray Mop in Red. If you're looking for an effective, durable, and easy-to-use mop, this could be an excellent choice. We hope this review helps you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.